Today in this video, we will discuss how to use state hooks and how state hooks can be used in React to change and update the state of any components. Hello everyone, welcome to Code Easy, where we talk about programming and help beginners to make their coding journey easy. So let's get started. In order to use useState hook, we need to first import it. We can simply import it like this. Now we'll be increasing the counter variable for this example. So at first we'll set the count to 0 and then we'll increase the count using the useState hook. useState takes a variable which in our case is count and the function update count, which looks like this. So what useState does is it takes the initial state, which is 0 in this case, and provides us with a variable count to access the current state value and a function setCount to update the state. Now we will render the count in our browser and see. We can do this by adding a div and simply using count. Now if we want to update the state of this count, we will add a button. Now when you click this update count button, the count will increase. Let's test our code. You can see how the count is increasing. When you refresh this page, it goes back to 0, and when you click on update count, it gets increased. So what basically happens here is the initial state of this count is 0, and when we update the state using this count function, every time we click on the button, it increases by 1. So that's pretty much it. useState takes the current state in form of a variable and allows us to use the count function as a way to update the state as per our requirements. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.